Are you looking for a Vienna hotel? We just visited Vienna, and this is where we chose to stay. If you are looking at Vienna hotels, it means you are planning your Vienna trip. So why don't you take a look at our Vienna vlogs as well for tips and ideas? This Radisson has a fantastic location. It's only a 10 minutes walk to the State Opera House and Historic Center, and the closest U-Bahn is Karlsplatz, only 5 minutes walk.
Hey, welcome. So let us give you a tour of the standard room at the Radisson Das Triest in Vienna. Welcome hall with a large full-size mirror, ample space here for luggage, shoes, etc. And then we have also a bit of shelving here, good to put those small items that you need coming into the room. I would say it's a very spacious room as well. Lovely setup with the bed here and the bedside tables. I really love this setup. Then there's a small lounge area here with a desk. And the wardrobe at the back. Small lovely feature with the wardrobe that lights up when you open the doors. And on this side there's the usual safe and mini fridge, which I would say something that bothers me a lot in a lot of hotel rooms. It's silent. I really can't hear it, and it's actually cold, which is also something that sometimes is not the case in a lot of hotels. Small coffee station. Lovely touch with the welcome cookies. We still need to try them, but absolutely lovely touch. Huge TV as well, which then turns all the way around in order to face the bed. Very good. Yeah, actually there's the bathroom as well, which is very worth mentioning as well. So the bathroom, I am almost blown away. This is something that bothers me a lot in hotel rooms. The bathroom is usually the worst part of a hotel room, but this one is immaculate. Usually in bathrooms you would have stuff like small broken tiles, a little bit of rust here and there with the silverware, small bits of molds around the shower tray, but I can't see the smallest detail, like even the caulking of the sink, and it's all very well kept. Even just small details like the symmetry of this frame aligned perfectly with the toilet. It's really well done. Huge shower tray as well, with a waterfall shower. I'm truly impressed. The room is really good.
They also left us a handwritten welcome note, which is a really nice touch. It's handwritten.
Good sound insulation as well. Like we're on a fairly main road here on this side, and I can hear absolutely nothing outside. That's pretty much it. But the first impressions, very good. I'm quite impressed actually with the room. So
if you want to check out more info about this hotel, to book it for yourself, you will find the link in the description below.
Erdgeschoss.